Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another edition of Tool Tech. Well, as you guys can see in those beginning clips, mowing season was done. I was at the car wash getting things cleaned up, and of course I had to use the Super Clean product. This stuff is awesome. I use this on pretty much everything cleaning wise. I do buy it in this gallon size container. I was refilling these jugs at first, and then after I used this probably about a dozen-ish times, the trigger started to fail, just reusing it, and it started to leak and stuff like this. So I did run to Harbor Freight and found the refillable and reusable sprayer. So I usually buy the gallon container. I refill in one of these sprayers. These things are awesome. I can take this to the car wash with me, use my little Milwaukee compressor, pressurize this tank, put 15-20 pounds in it, and it's good to go. So I just wanted to mention that if you guys are having an issue refilling these, if you're buying this in the gallon container, head over to Harbor Freight and pick one of these up. But let me do a poll real quick before we get started too far. How many of you guys would buy one of these if Super Clean would rebrand one and call it their own? Have it on their website or have it someplace available wherever Super Clean products are sold. How many of you guys would buy one of these? Just curious, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know if you would buy one of these that was Super Clean branded, purple, got the Super Clean logo on there, something like this. Like that, but in purple. I think that'd be pretty cool. So just a quick poll on what you guys think. This stuff has a lot of uses. They have the original degreaser, they have the wheel cleaner, they have the foam cleaner, they also have a spray. Now the spray you want to be careful with. You do want to test it because this is full strength. They do have dilution charts on their website. It is available if you guys have a product flyer like this. It also has the dilution chart on the back and also tells everything this is good for indoors and outdoors. And then every place this is available is on this piece of paper right here. You can buy it at Walmart, you can buy it at Menards, you can buy it at Lowe's, O'Reilly, Napa, Advanced Auto, Meyer. Just about any place you can think of, Super Clean is available for you guys to purchase. And then their newest product also is a floor cleaner. This stuff is pretty good. I've used it last year when we did some work on the 4th gen. We had the transmission out. I made one heck of a mess on the floor with transmission fluid. Used some of this to clean up the trans fluid, and it did work remarkably well. So, I've used this stuff a while. I've gave it away before in the past, and I want to give you guys a chance to have some of this as well. So head over to TikTok, and there's going to be a video on my TikTok channel. Now there'll be a link in the description for Linktree. All of my links are there. I'll also put a link down there for TikTok as well. That way you guys can go straight to my page and find me. Give me a follow. And that's where you're gonna sign up or just comment in one of my TikTok videos on, just say something. Comment in that TikTok, tell me you want the product. What you're gonna receive is a bottle of the original, a bottle of the spray, a bottle of the foam cleaner, the wheel cleaner, and the absorbent. So this is what you guys are gonna get. If you guys want the gallon containers to refill, these are available for you guys to purchase. Because of shipping restraints, we're going to stick to these products here. So you're going to get a spray bottle of all of these, and then you're also going to get the 15-pound container of the floor cleaner or the floor absorbent. So who wants some free stuff, man? It's always cool when you can get free stuff, isn't it? So I just wanted to get on here tonight. This is about cleaning products, Super Clean. This is all that I use pretty much. We use the foam cleaner right here on my son's race bike. It works remarkably well. You want to get everything wet, spray it down, let it set about 30 seconds, and then hose everything off. We use a pressure washer. Wheel cleaner is the same way. It's spray it on, get it wet, spray it on, and let it set for about 30 seconds and then spray it off. Spray and wipe, like I said, you do want to test an inconspicuous spot because this is going to be full strength with the original all-purpose degreaser. You know, you can dilute this down, clear up to 16 parts if you want to. There is, like I said, a dilution chart on Super Clean's website. I'll put that link in the description if you guys want to check that out, and it'll tell you every place you can use the product or what it's suggested for, and also the dilution chart from full strength, like I said, to 16 parts. So if you guys are interested in having some Super Clean for yourself, you can buy it just about any place. Amazon, and just like I said, all the stores before, O'Reilly, Advanced, AutoZone, Menards, Napa, Lowe's, you know, any place you can think of. Walmart pretty much is going to have the Super Clean product. But if you guys want some for yourself for free, head over to my TikTok page and sign up to win these 5 products right here. So I just wanted to get on here and give you guys some free stuff. Also, you know, I showed you in the beginning of the video me cleaning my mowers up. I usually use it full strength on my mowers. They're stainless steel. There's a little bit of paint on the deck, but it's not that important to me to keep those shiny and you know, showroom condition. Their mowers, they get used in my business, my lawn service constantly, but it is important to try and keep the grease and grime off of them at the end of the season. And throughout the year, as I'm doing services, I'll wash them up and hit them with some foam cleaner or some all-purpose cleaner, just whatever I so choose to use. I really like the foam cleaner, but I also use a lot of the all-purpose cleaner just in one of these sprayers as well. So these are available at Harbor Freight, or you can pick these up on Amazon as well. I'll put a link in the description for one of these if you want to pick one of these up from Amazon. I'm sure there's probably a deal of the day or something for one of these. Or if you got Harbor Freight close, you can head over to Harbor Freight and pick up this sprayer. But other than that, like I said, that's pretty much all I have. If you don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so. Head over to TikTok to win some free Super Clean products.